kasabot og Tagalog.
Yeah.
Tagalog.
Dili ka kasabot ng Tagalog.
Dili.
Kamay lang.
Sige daw,
Sige daw,
sample.
sample na Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Tagalog word.
Hindi. Hindi.
And what else?
Hindi ko ba
Oh,
Ah.
what else?
Hindi, ano mo na?
Hindi, what do
Ilocano
you
mo
mean?
na.
Hindi.
No.
And what else? What else?
You I know what means in Tagalog, but I forgot. You tell Tita Eng you left your lessons for Tagalog in New Zealand.
Yeah, because we're here in
we're here in the
Davao,
Philippines.
so we have to speak Bisaya. It's the
Hello,
Tagalog
welcome
moment.
to your second lesson daily for Isay
Teaching
Sophia
class.
teaching class for Filipino.
Yeah.
For non-Filipinos.
Yes.
For non-Filipino.
Sa mukha sa ng Pilipino.
See?
People will say,
What?
my brain.
She had it.
It's okay. You did well. You did well.
I didn't even teach a word yet.
No, but it's very good. You're so smart for knowing how to speak Bisaya at the same
She's
time.
older than me. She doesn't know Bisaya.
I know.
Oh, she used to
Unfortunately,
speak Bisaya.
yeah, she used to. She used to when she was like 3 or 4, I believe.
Okay,
and then
now
she
here's
forgot.
the lesson. If someone says, "Unsa imong pangalan?"
What's
What is your
What's
name?
your name? Yeah. No, sometimes she can understand like the basic, like what's your name.
speak another language. I can speak Spanish.
Yeah.
So
But
like,
you can understand a little bit of Tagalog and
you
Bisaya.
say your name. Then
What?
you say unsa imong pangalan.
Yeah.
Then they say their name. Then you're like,
Ask her what's water in Bisaya.
what is water?
Very good child.
What is water in Japanese?
You need to know this.
What is water in Japanese?
You need to know this. You're going to Japan.
Miso.
She's going to Japan. She's going to Japan.
Oh.
Yeah, in June.
Magkakon siya dahil.
Lagi, magbakasyon sila.
Yeah.
Lucky. Sama
No,
that's
What
not
else do you
tato.
know in Bisaya?
Bandage.
Huh?
I only understand some of Athens.
Like,
The only thing I know how to say is, do you speak English?
how about like kaon? Kaon. Yeah, kanang maligo.
Shower.
Yeah. Oh, basic,
Basic,
like, yeah.
Basic
Like
lang.
dali, you know, like, oh, come on, come here.